Now here are all the details we talked about to execute the most complete technical analysis. Let's put it all together. First, go to your month chart. Here, find your previous month high and low. Next, go to your weekly chart and do the same. Find your previous week high and low. Move down to the day chart and separate the beginning and the end of your previous and current month. Now find your macro target zone. This is going to be directly connected with your previous month high and low. Move down to the 1 hour chart and separate the beginning and the end of your previous and current week. Slice down into days your current week. This way you'll have a better sense of distance moving forward and when looking up and down. Identify your micro target zone. This is going to be directly connected with your previous week high and low. Load in your exponential moving average with a setting of 200 and identify the major levels of support and resistance in all of your time frames. Go to your month chart and find your major structure. That way you'll know if you're looking at a bullish or bearish momentum overall. Look at all of your candlesticks individually and in groups, starting from the month chart all the way down to the 1 minute chart. Very important, on your day chart, look at your candlestick patterns and structure formation so that you can get a better idea of where things will be heading on your current week. Finally, loading your stochastic and look for overbought and oversold levels, as well as the current and upcoming momentum of the trend in all of your time frames to come up with your final answer. And that is it. You have gathered great information about your selected pair and now you are ready to place your trade. Let's move to our next video and talk about your take profit and stop limit parameters as well as lot size.